Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a yearly prediction for 2022. How we'll go about with the video is we'll check what are the energies for you for three main aspects of your life. The first bucket will be your career or business. The second one is your health. And the third bucket will be your personal life or your family life. So the first card for you for your career or business is 10 of Wands. For your health, the card is Two of Wands, and for your family life situation, it is the Three of Cups. Now, for 10 of Wands, it means stress, anxiety, a lot of burden. With 10 of Wands, you may also feel that you are the only one putting in the effort with regards to your career or business. There's too much of workload that you're going through, and it's causing you stress. Now for your second bucket, which is your health, it is Two of Wands. Two of Wands shows two options. Okay, so for some of you with regards to maybe a health condition, you may have to consult two doctors. You may have two different approaches on how you want to go about with that particular situation. For your personal or family life, it shows Three of Cups, which is kind of a third party situation, and that's again not for everybody, but there could be some interference in your family. So let's take clarifying cards for all three of them. So for 10 of Wands, the first card is the Four of Wands and the Page of Wands. Now Four of Wands means that there will be something with regards to marriage commitment which will have an impact in your career and business as well. With Page of Wands, it's kind of an immature energy. However, you're focused too much on having sex, passion, so there will be something where you may get distracted as well, okay, because you're focusing too much towards passion, sex, physical attraction. You may not focus in your career or your business. For your second bucket, which is your health, you have Two of Wands. The clarifying card here is Two of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Two of Cups means that you'll have to go ahead and share, which means emotionally you will have to go ahead and express what you're feeling. If you are not feeling good, okay, and you're keeping it within yourself, it's time that you find somebody with whom you can go ahead and share these thoughts that physically also you're not feeling good. With Queen of Pentacles, it means you'll focus on this one thing. In 2022, you will understand that you have to focus on your health, and you'll put in that effort, and you'll take that concentrated effort to go ahead and improve your health. Now the third bucket that I see for you is Three of Cups. It means third party situation in some cases. Your clarifying card is Ten of Swords and the Lovers card. Ten of Swords means in some cases you will feel backstabbed, and with Lovers card, that's Gemini energy. That's emotional connection that you have with this other person. Now let's quickly see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for you. So the message that I see here is step out of your comfort zone. If you are in your comfort zone, it is time that you step out, and that's when things will work for you for this particular year. Now we'll also go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you. So the crystal that I see for you is amethyst. The crystal message is, are you ready to transform your life? Through your spiritual connection with the divine, you can receive intuitive insight to help you in your daily life. You have the ability to transform your reality using the spiritual guidance you receive. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Zadkiel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it from there. Now with this, we'll also quickly go ahead and see what is the message that we have for you month wise. So for the month of Jan, you have Ace of Swords, which means a new beginning, but it will only happen once you have a very honest conversation about something. For Feb, it's the World card, which means you need to close an old chapter, and that's when this new chapter will work for you. For March, you have Queen of Wands, that's fire sign, and you'll get very strong magnetic, and you'll be in that go-getter energy where whatever you want, you'll go ahead and achieve it. For April, you have Eight of Swords, which is confusion, being blindfolded. You'll not be able to make a proper judgment call because you're not able to see everything clearly. In the month of May, you will have Two of Swords, which is again confusion. For June, you have Six of Wands, which shows victory in a situation. For July, you have Two of Pentacles, which means you will try to balance two situations. In the month of August, you will have the Hanged Man, which means you'll get stuck in a situation. In September, you have Five of Wands, which means you will have competition, fighting for something. In the month of October, you have Page of Swords, which means a new beginning, but then that's immature energy and there's something that you need to talk about. In the month of this November, you have Ten of Wands, which means you will feel the burden of something. And for December 2022, you will end with Four of Cups, which means that you will withdraw. You will not go ahead and take any cup of love from anybody because you will be bored out of this entire situation. Now this is what I see for you for this particular year. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.